We have a super simple craft for you as part of Hobbycraft's Kids Craft Club. It's these cardboard tube farm animals. Keep watching and we'll show you how to make them.
You will need some cardboard tubes, some paint and a brush, some coloured card, glue, a permanent pen and some wiggly eyes. Start by painting a base colour onto the tubes. Sketch the outline of your animal's features in pencil, ignoring the eyes for now, and then paint. Add definition with some black pen, then attach some wiggly eyes. Cut ears from coloured card and glue inside the top of the tube to finish.
So there we have it, cardboard tube farm animals. Check out Hobbycraft's Ideas Hub for tons more ideas on how to keep your kids entertained over the summer.